Hi, welcome to this tutorial by Absidy LLC that will show you how to install all of our indicators. The first thing that you'll want to do is to navigate to the Tradingview.com website. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If you don't have an account, click Join for free. And it's okay if you make a free account because free accounts can still use our indicators. Next, you'll want to navigate to the interactive charts. The way to do this is to click on the ticker and insert what symbol you'd like to interact with on a live chart. In this case, we'll look at gold, which is XAUUSD. Simply enter it in the search bar, then click on it, and then click the button that says Full Feature Chart. Now we're on Tradingview.com looking at a live chart of gold. The next thing you want to do is to check your notification panel on the right and see if you have any new notifications from us. In this case, we do. We were just added to Project Mars by Absidy. It says to refresh your page and see it in the indicator window. This is very important because you need to refresh your page in order to access this. Next, go up to the indicator menu, which is the little squiggly line, double click it, and then you'll be in the indicator window. You want to look on the panel on the left and look for the option that says Invite Only Scripts. You have been privately invited to this VIP script that only you and a few others have access to. So double click on that, and there you'll see the indicator that you were just invited to. If you don't see this, it might be because you didn't refresh the page. You want to double click on it. Then it should appear on the chart. We see that we have Project Mars installed. You'll see that the indicator is listed on the top left next to the symbol. However, you'll notice that the year to date has no data from Project Mars. It just sits at 0 in this case. Or it might sit at a different level for another indicator that you might be installing. Either way, it's not properly displaying the information that we would like it to. This is very easy to fix. You need to check the email that you received with this video tutorial, and you should have your security code there. It's normally a 9 to 12 digit number that was specially given to you so that your indicator will work. So you'll want to copy that security code and then go into the settings of the indicator. When you're looking for the settings button, it's right next to the indicator name on the top left. And it's the little symbol that's shaped like a gear. Now that we're in the settings, we want to paste the security code that you received in the email into the security code section here. The security code section is normally at the bottom. Now paste in the code you got from your email right in the little box next to it. After that, check to see if your security code has worked. And looking at this example, our security code has worked. We see Project Mars is now where it should be. Though it's important to remember, if you have a 4-day trial security code, this will only allow you to see the performance of the indicator for last week and for this next week. The rest of the year to date is not available for you until you purchase a longer term subscription. Then you can see the full year to date and any future years that you have also purchased. Next thing you want to do is save your security code. You want to save your security code so every single time that you apply this indicator to your chart, you don't always have to enter the security code. So to save your security code, go back to the settings menu and look for the little button in the bottom left of the security window that says Defaults. You want to double click Defaults and you'll have two options. You'll want to click Save as Default. This will save the security code you have as the default setting of this indicator, so you won't have to type it in every single time that you load this. Then click OK, and it will save your code. You have successfully installed an indicator by Absidy. We hope that this installation process has been easy to follow and has been successful for you, and that you enjoy your indicator. Please get in touch with us if anything hasn't worked.